Is it recording? Okay, good. Hey, mindful drinking friends. I am so happy that you are back with us. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take the spicy margarita drink that we made, or I said spicy about 7,000 times in that video apparently, and we're going to take the salted rosemary paloma, and we are going to combine those drinks, taking all the best genetics that we can possibly find, and create a delicious, spicy, refreshing drink that is really just going to last you the rest of the summer. You're probably not gonna want to drink anything else after this. I could be wrong. All right, well, let's just get into it, huh? What do you think, Chels? Okay, shaking her head with approval. Let's go. Oh, really? Oh, sick. Okay, so the ingredients for what we are going to be calling a Dovetail, classic name of a drink. You're going to need a non-alcoholic tequila. Today I am using Trejo's Spirits. This is Alan Trejo. Alan Trejo? Danny, let's start that again. Okay.
I like it.
From Danny Trejo, famous actor. Give him a shout out. We need the Portland Syrups Bird's Eye Chili, rich simple syrup. You're going to be needing grapefruit juice, and you're going to need soda water. So pretty simple. All right, so we are going to our shaker with some ice, and we're going to have 1.5 ounces of Danny Trejo's non-alcoholic tequila. All right, then we're going to do 2 ounces of that freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. And then, because this stuff has a nice kick to it, we're just gonna do 1/2 ounce of the simple syrup here. We're gonna give that a nice little shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. And in a Collins glass, we are just going to fill this with ice. It smells good. Okay, and we are going to just double strain this into our Collins glass here. Top it with just a little bit of soda water. Oh yeah, looks good. Dehydrated grapefruit on top. See if we can get this to do what we want it to do here. Ooh, does that look decent?
Yeah.
Should I get a different one?
Like a tomato. Oh, there you go.
It's kind of tilted. And give it a nice little stir with your straw here. There it is, the Dovetail in all of its glory. Let's give it a little sip. There's something going on with this grapefruit. That is a messed up grapefruit. Ooh. Mm-hmm. 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 It's.
Yeah.
What do you think of that one?
It's got that nice kick. It's a strong kick.
Is it too spicy?
It's pretty spicy. I feel like I would want more sweet.
The spice is the sweet. I think maybe it just fell to the bottom a little bit. I mean, because it tastes, it's spicy. Here we go. We're on the spice train again. This is a drink that I feel is very refreshing and definitely has a different type of spice kick than the spicy margarita. It is definitely spicy, but it's not like hit you in the face and you feel it all the way down. It's more like sitting in your stomach kind of spice. But the best part is you get a little bit of that sweetness, you get the grapefruit, and that soda water just makes it nice and refreshing too. So the Dovetail, a beautiful combination of the spicy margarita and the salted rosemary paloma. So, if you like these drinks, if you like us keeping it real spicy here, why don't you just do us a favor and hit that subscribe button? Because we are wanting to continue to make these, and it's really cool to be able to reach out to the people that we've already been able to talk to. Subscribing with intention. I love it. All right, cheers.
Perfect.
So I'm gonna put the clapping in there.
You should.
All right.